like the body shame me. Body shame me well. But I still love my Android, sha. But that's not what I'm coming here to say today. I'm talking about a sound card that is very easy to use. Presonus has made things very easy for sound engineer, if you know what I'm saying. There are different kind of sound card, but Presonus just say, hold up, wait a minute, come closer. I want to introduce you to one of cameraman. Always focus. I don't understand what's wrong with my cameraman. Always being so lost. He like his iPhone. I'll soon break the iPhone. Don't worry. You're not giving what Presonus give me. Nonsense. Yeah. Break camera. Go tell you how much it costs. Okay. Presonus got me this audiobox Go. It's so small. It looks like toy. I don't know. Audiobox Go. Should I unveil it? Okay, let's see. I bring to you. I know you'll say it's too small. Is it? I come here complete. Yeah, it's so portable. You can enter my pocket. See, it's very small. See it, very small. But this small guy can do what your big sound card cannot do. Can your sound card work with your phone? Yes, I'm talking to you. Can your sound card work with your phone? This is a 2-channel sound card, double audio ports, that is XLR and jack, and single jack. Then over here you have your master volume, headphone ports, audio volume. Then at the back here, watch this. You have your monitor out if you want to connect it to your speakers and everything. Then your USB port, guess what? It's using a Type-C. A Type-C port. Look at it. Type-C. Okay, now people are asking me, what can this do? What do you do with your sound card? You use it to record clean, portable audio. But with this guy, you can do more. So, Presonus just give us this as a sample to do a test. I have used it and I got a sweet audio. Right now, I'm using it right now to record what you guys are hearing right now. Like spoil it. Like shout like the my hearer. Is it like don't mind him? Don't mind my cameraman. I'm using it. It's the second one. I just wish I can show you the second one. He's planning to tiff it. I trust my cameraman. He knows how much it is. Well, it's not expensive. It's not that expensive. Just come to Eruka online. You get it. We can do delivery for you if you want.
Vivid imagination. Don't let this side of our
Go grab your own Presonus audiobox.